So today we will study about the disease achondroplasia. This is most associated with human dwarfism and occur in 1 in 15,000 to 70,000 people, caused by a missense mutation. The obvious phenotype documented throughout the history, ancient Egyptian artwork में ये पाए गए थे पिक्चर में, and there is a series of dog painting in the 1600s. He exhibited in circus show, especially in the late 18th and mid 19th, came to be known as a circus freak. Achondroplasia is caused by a missense mutation in FGFR3 fibroblast growth factor receptor 3 on chromosome 4p in long arm in humans. This nucleotide 1138 in exon 10 on chromosome 4 has the highest mutation rate known. तो यह इस पार्ट पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा म्यूटेशन होता है. Exon is the functional part of DNA. In 1970% of patient and adenine replace the normal guanine at this point. तो ये म्यूटेशन क्या होता है कि एडेनाइन की जगह क्या हो जाता है, वहाँ पे गुआनिन रिप्लेस हो जाता है. ऑब्जर्व इन cDNA. 30% हैव अ साइटोसिन. तो कुछ केस में एडेनिन की 97 केसेस में एडेनाइन की जगह गुआनिन रिप्लेस होता है और 3% चांस है कि गुआनिन की जगह एडेनाइन की जगह क्या रिप्लेस होगा, साइटोसिन. बोथ म्यूटेशन रिजल्ट इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अमीनो एसिड आर्जिनिन इंस्टेड ऑफ ग्लाइसिन. तो दोनों में क्या होता है कि जो अमीनो एसिड ग्लाइसिन होना चाहिए प्रोडक्शन, वो नहीं होके आर्जिनिन का प्रोडक्शन होता है. एंड दिस प्रोडक्शन ऑफ आर्जिनिन इन्हांस द जीन फंक्शन एंड FGFR3 सिग्नल रिलीज. इसकी वजह से जीन का फंक्शन क्या होता है, इंक्रीज होता है. माइटोसिस इज प्रोमोटेड बट सेल डिफरेंशिएशन इज डिप्रेस एंड ड्यू टू एनहांसमेंट ऑफ जीन फंक्शन. तो प्रोमोटेड होता है लेकिन सेल का डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं होता. इनहिबिट प्रोलिफरेशन एंड टर्मल डिफरेंशिएशन रिजल्ट इन रिड्यूस बोन ग्रोथ. तो बोन की ग्रोथ ज़्यादा हो नहीं सकती इसकी वजह से. स्टडी शो को रिलेशन विद द पैटर्नल एज appears that the vast majority of FGFR3 mutation arise in new mutation during spermatogenesis before meiosis first. All mutation studies so far occur on the paternal chromosome. ACH is an autosomal dominant trait, meaning that its deceased parent has a 50% chance of passing it on. Despite this odd, almost 90% of patients have de novo or spontaneous ACH, probably due to either of two missense mutation or difficulty of the disease to reproduce. So this is the pedigree analysis used to classify the disease and as a autosomal dominant. That does not skip a generation, prevalent in female and male. Lethal gene homozygous dominant individually die before the birth. तो जो आपको ब्लैक कलर के देख रहे हैं वो क्या है, वो डेथ इंडिकेट करते हैं. ओके. और जो रेक्टेंगल है इट इंडिकेट मेल एंड सर्कल इंडिकेट द फीमेल while the positive sign indicates still birth. Phenotypes and system. ACH has 100% penetrance and consistent expressivity. Height of 4 feet show extremities slight to moderate obesity and large head. Children have delayed motor milestones, bowing of lower legs, frequent ear infection due to a short eustachian tube, and trouble breathing due to airway restriction. 2 to 5% of infants die due to symptoms. Phenotypes and symptoms. The statistics show mortality rate more than double the general population, does not affect intelligence. Biggest challenge is overcoming social inaptitude and low self-esteem. Television show Little People Big World on TLC, and depression is common. Reproduction restriction. Difficulty in reproduction due to restriction of ovarian stimulation and puncture. Small pelvic size. Anesthesia risk. Assortive mating and gene lethality. Similar dwarfism disease. ACH is the most common of near about 200 kinds, and thanatotropic dysplasia, hypochondroplasia, FGFR3 regulation is linked to all kinds. ACH and other dwarfism occur in other mammal as well, same characteristic as in human. You can see in this diagram. Okay, the animal also have the short stature. Diagnosis is human. Easier since the phenotype is apparent at birth. Expected if a parent is deceased. At least X-ray analysis, at most RFLP restriction enzyme SFCL may diagnose prenatal embryos. Treatment: new method of adding height called distraction osteogenesis is being researched. Lengthen tibia bone with very few risks. Increase of 4.0 positive negative 1.98 centimeter. Growth hormone therapy is still under study. Gene therapy possibility. Alter clothing, car pedal extension, respect from average size individual, and even a support group all help the low self-esteem and depression that is common. Support group therapy: research show 5,000 to 10,000 achondroplasts in the USA and 65,000 on Earth. Support group allow for sharing of experience and more social interaction. Little People of America, founded by actor Billy Barty, has more than 5,000 members, help to lead a normal life. References. Thank you.